My dear students, welcome back. Uh, Last day we have finished few questions from exercise 20B, right circular cylinder. Most probably up to questions number 10. Now onwards questions. But before I think you have done this but up to here, or you are doing, but till now I have not got any informations or any feedback from many of you. I don't know that if you are understanding the chapter properly or not. So your feedback is quite being important for us. By the way, now onwards questions I am going to solve, but before I am going to start a new question, one more thing I am going to explain here. That one is a multiplication tricks. That is, suppose a big number is there, and suppose if you are going to multiply that one by 11, you can ask, sir, why 11? Because tricks are available for many different numbers also, 12, 13, 14, 19, something like that. But why I have selected only 11? Because in mensurations, this 11 is going to play an important role. Because one of the terms you will find very frequently till now, that one is pi. Pi is 22 by 7 and 11 is the factors of this 22. So if you know the tricks of multiplications of 11, then your calculations part will be quite being simple. Okay, that's why you should know it. Yes, obviously I have explained this one in the previous classes, and at that time all the students were not present. That's why I am going to repeat the things once again. Okay, so suppose if I am going to, now it is a multiplication tricks, only few minutes will be required. Suppose in numbers randomly I am selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you are going to multiply this one by 11, what will be the answer? What you will have to do, you have to consider mentally that a 0 is here, a 0 is here, in the front as well as in the back. Now consecutively you will have to add this way. 4 plus 0 is 4 from right hand side. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. And 0 plus 1 is 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. Let me check if it is correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 11. Answer is coming 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. Yes, it is correct. So this way you should take the practice before going to implement that one in your problems. Your confidence level should be high. So what way I have done? Do that way. First of all, take a number of 4 or 5 figures, then multiply and check by using your calculators. This way you just take few numbers, and if we proceed, then confidence level will come. Suppose one more example. Say suppose 5, 3, 2, 7. Randomly I have taken for a 4 digits number. Not necessarily that it should be a 4 digits. It may be many digits. So now consider it, here is 0, here is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. Listen, I am going to change the number because the new things I want to explain now. That one is, say suppose the number is a bigger number, that is 8, 5, 8, 6. The same things I am going to do. Put a 0 here. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 40. Carry is 1. That 1 it is, you have to write here. For this reason only I have taken a bigger number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8, 40. Carries 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carries 1. A 0 is here. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. So this will be the answer. Let me check if it is correct or not. It is 8586 multiplied by 11. It is 9,446. Yes, that is absolutely correct. So this way you have to do. You will find that most of the calculations I will do using by particular tricks. Okay? That particular things I will explain when the time will come. Now I am going to solve up to question number 10th I have done. Now I am going to solve questions number 11. Questions number 11. Questions number 11. What it says that the curved surface area of a cylinder is 4400 centimeter square and its circumference of the base is 110. Find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, that is a cylinder. If it is there, it is a cylinder. Its curved surface area it is given, 2 pi r it is given. Okay, how much? 110. And it is circumference of its base. And the curved surface area it is given 4400. Since CSA says curved surface area is equal to 4400. And formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r and h. Curved surface area is 4400. For finding the volume, radius and height both will require. Here nothing it is given. In spite of that, circumference of the base and the curved surface area it is given. So by using this 2 pi r, it is given as 110, which is the curved perimeter of the base, into height. So therefore, h will be equal to 4400 divided by 110. 0, 0 cancel, 11 fours are, which is equal to 40 centimeter is the height. Okay, height is 40 centimeter. Now I have told you that for finding the volume, radius and height both will be required for the cylinders. Height we have got. Now radius. Since 2 pi r, since circumference is 110, which is equal to 2 pi r. Now from here you can find quite easily r. R will be equal to 110 divided by 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Now 11 tens are 110, 11 twos are 2 fives are 5 sevens are 35 by 2 centimeter is the radius. Now let us try to find volume. I am going to rub the diagram. Therefore volume will be equal to 2 pi r and h. And volume, no, I am wrong. The volume is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7 and a radius we have got as 35 by 2. 35 by 2. Obviously square is there, so 35 by 2, 35 by 2 into height. Height is 40. So write here 40. Now the calculations part. 7 5s are 35. 2 11s are 2 20s are, which is equal to, listen, what way I am going to take the calculations. I am not taking any help of calculators or previous calculations. 11 into 5 2s are 10. 1 0 into 35. Now multiply this 11 with 35. A 0 is there, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 followed by 20 centimeter cube. So this way the calculations part being accelerated, and the correct calculation also it is coming. So this way the answer has come. I think it is clear. Okay. Now the next questions. Now the next questions. Questions number after 11, I am going to solve. Next questions is questions number 12. A particular brand of talcum powder is available in 2 packs. One plastic can with a square base, right? Like this, plastic can with square base. It is given of side 5 centimeter. Each side of this plastic can is 5 centimeter, and the height of this can it is given as 14 centimeter. So this is about the plastic can with square base, and one with circular base of radius 3.5 centimeter, that is a cylindrical shape, and height is 12 centimeter. Now the question is, which of them is greater capacity and by how much? These 2 can is available. You have gone to purchase one of the that talcum powder. You are going to calculate first that which one contain maximum capacity. You have to purchase that one, and that also you have to see that how much more it is from the smaller one. So for the plastic containers with square base, for questions number 12, for the container with square base, the volume V1 will be equal to, so you know very well, I have told you that volume is nothing but area of cross section into height. This is area of cross sections, which is equal to A square into H. So A square into H. What is A here? Each side of the square base. 12th one, question number 5. So 5 square into height, it is given as 14. It is given as 14. 25 into 14. 25 fours are 100, carries 1. 25 was 25 plus 1 is 260 centimeter cube. So square bag is actually containing how much capacity? It is 350. It's 35, 350 centimeter cube. Now let us try to find the volume for the container with circular base. So V2 is equal to pi r square h. So pi is 22/7 into r 3.5 into 3.5 into h. H is how much? H is how much? 12. It is 12. So 7 5s are 0.5, which is equal to from 22 take out common 2, 11 into 2 and 0.5 if you multiply 1 into 3.5 into 12. Now 12 5s are 60, carries 6. 42 into 11. Okay, 42 into 11. And what I feel, if you're going to multiply this, then 264, 462 centimeter cube. So you are finding that in front of you only I have taken all these calculations. So I am finding that the containers with circular base have the more capacity. Therefore, the container with circular base have the more capacity. And how much it is, and how much more? So, and more will be how much? It is V2 minus V1 is equal to 462 minus 350, and this one will come as 112 centimeter cube. Okay, this much more is there in the circular base container. So this is about this question number 12. Now one more questions, let me try. I think it is clear. Question number 13. Question number 13. 13 says the cost of painting 15 cylindrical pillars of a building at the rate of rupees 2.50 per square meter if the diameter and the height of each pillar are 48 centimeter and 7 meters respectively. Right? Pillar, circular base pillar. Its diameter it is given as 48 centimeter. Okay, so radius of a pillar, question number 30. There says the radius of a pillar is equal to, it is given as radius of a pillar, it is given as 48 centimeter is the diameter by 2 is equal to 24 centimeter, and the height it is given as how much? 7 meters, a big height, 7 meters, and the rate of square meter. So all are 2.50 per square meter. It is given in meter. So better just change this one into meter. Therefore, yes, obviously if you are going to paint this particular pillar, then which portions you are going to paint? The curved surface area, the lower part and upper part being covered by the floor and the roof. Right? So therefore curved surface area CSA of one pillar is equal to 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 pi is 22 by 7 into R is 24 by 100 into height is 7. 7 supposed to be cancel. Okay, so this one is equal to, now take out 2 from here, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, carries 1, 4 2s are 8, 96 into 11, which is equal to 9, 9 plus 6, 15, carries 1, 1056 meter cube. By 100 also is there, so it will be 10.56 meter square rather, curved surface area. Right? Therefore, surface area of how many pillars you are having? How many pillars you are having? You are having 15 pillars. 15 pillars. So curved surface area of 15 pillars is equal to 50 into 10.56 meter square. Therefore, the cost at the rate of rupees 2.50 per meter square is equal to 2.50 into 50 into 10.56. Okay. So, how much will come? Let us verify the things. 2.5. Sometimes it is not possible all the calculations with certain tricks. So in that case, without any hesitation, you should take the jump in the calculations. So it is coming as 396 rupees. 396 will come as the total cost for painting the 15 pillars. So this is another questions. For the time being, it is sufficient. Okay, beta?